Hi everyone, this is going to be my first video for this year of my solar powered boat. It's 5:30 in the morning, we're at Pin Mill near to Ipswich and we're just about to start our journey to Lowestoft. And Lowestoft is where we're hoping to start our journey to Holland from. So as you'll have seen from my videos over the winter, I've got my Tesla battery now in here. I'll show you more about that later. That's solid charging at the moment and it's got 22.55 volts in it, which is probably about half charged. We've got the torpedo motor here with the remote throttle that I showed you making over the winter. It comes to here. I'll just get us underway now and then show you how everything works underway. Right, we've just pulled the anchor up. I'm about to start the motor. And we're off. Now you can hear the motor going. It's motoring out past these boats. Here we are, just leaving Pin Mill. So we're on our way now. The torpedo is up. The battery is still solar charging. 22.37 volts, that's not bad. So we didn't use up much power from the battery. We're sailing away at the moment. The sun's coming up. Everybody's out of bed as well. Although they're powering a bit from the wind. And we're going at around about 6 knots. Here's the view from the front of the boat. Sun just up. Someone asked about the solar panels and how they're arranged. I'm just using the fixed solar panels at the moment, and actually they're not really in the sun at all. So we've got the 240 watt solar panel at the back, and then we've got these 7 solar panels here. Now only 4 of these are being used to charge the Tesla battery and the big solar panel at the back. And the others are being used to charge the boat battery, and 2 of them to power the cool box. So at 6 knots, we've got 36 nautical miles to go. That means about 6 hours. We're another hour into the journey or so. It's 8:30, and as you can see, everybody is sleeping, apart from me. Knots the wind at the moment. Still doing 7.5 knots. And we're about 3 hours out from Lowestoft now. Hope the wind keeps like this, it's fantastic. We're going past Southport Lighthouse now. So we're now in Lowestoft harbour. We came in under the lifting bridge at 2:30 and then came upriver a couple of miles to the cruising club. and we're staying here on one of their visitor pontoons, and they're very friendly people. So we're going to wait here for a couple of nights and then go to Holland.